Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So into the video, Christmas bottles and the decoration ideas. So friends, let's start today's video. Viewers, warm cloud add warmth to your home this winter with these handmade bottles and recipes. Each one tell us stories and touch your snowman smiling. Beauty of winter. Place them candles for fairy lights and watch the glow come alive. Simple crafts, beautiful impact. Snowman Santa. Say hello to our Christmas Santa, the snowman and the snowflakes. Bottle just warp some yarn, glue or buttons. Add the cute trees and instant holiday charm. They're fun to make, perfect for kids, and will bring smart to every corner for your home. Holiday bottle magic. Warp them in colorful and red, white or green and turn them into Christmas magic. Add butter, ribbon or tiny snowflakes for that festive spark. Simple, stylish and made with love. The perfect buy Christmas centerpiece for your table this Christmas. And the reverse. Christmas. Table charm. Take old bottles, swap them with jam and decorate with buttons and ribbon. Red for Santa, white for snow and green for Christmas. Simple, cozy and full of festive joy. Cozy bottle cloth, turn plain bottle into a glowing holiday centerpiece. Walk yarn around, add a snowball, fence or and place them by candlelight. The soft, colorful handmade touch brings warm to any room, perfect for a cozy Christmas night. Handmade Christmas decoration. Nothing says Christmas like something made by hand. These water decorations are fun, easy, and full of heart. Choose any and you have red, white, or golden, and create your own winter wonderland. Craft with love, decorate with joy. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching my channel.